This didn't go quite as planned. She's growling at him, and he doesn't want to be up here with her. Warning, this whole video is a disaster. You might get some laughs at my expense anyway. Hey, at least I found a new wine. Greetings and salutations, you in love with the generous, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I'm your host, Corey. It is that time of year again. It is April. We just celebrated my birthday a couple weeks ago. And we're going to have a celebration for my cat's birthdays. We have Miko, who we assume her birthday is on April 1st, and she is 5 years old this year. And we have Raz, who is 2 years old on the 13th. And he's still very kittenish and likes to torture his new stepsister. She doesn't like him at all. so this is going to be a fun video. And what is this video about? Well, I hadn't even opened it up yet. Found on Amazon, if I can get it open, cat wine. Yeah, there's like, oh, and it's got catnip all over the packaging. Yes, I guess it's catnipped wine. There's 4 different flavors. I thought, well, why not have a review? Let the cats review it. If I can do this without causing too much torment on myself, because you know how wrangling cats are. Interesting thing is that come with some little other catnip toys in the shape of wine bottles. So, golly, there is. I'm gonna get pulled over with this. I feel like I'm 15 years old with skunk weed. So yeah, I thought this ought to be fun. Maybe they're both very picky, so I don't know. Miko's not a big catnip person, but Raz seems to like it. I even got him some Meow Joanna around Christmas time. He seemed to take to it okay. I mean, it just looks like a rolled joint. So it's got Pinot Meow, White Chittendale, Cabernet, and Muscat. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know how well this is going to go. And if you're actually watching this, then at least I got something of interest. So before I start ringing on the cats up for cat wine, I had to get Corey some adult cat wine. And I found Felicette. Felicette was the first cat in outer space. It was part of the French space program in '63, which I didn't know France had a space program, but we learn something new every day. So let's try it and see. It's a $10 bottle of wine, so I'm not expecting too much, but, and it's a screw top. Now, I'm not much of a connoisseur of wine, so I can't tell you if it's like awesome or not. But smells like wine. It's drinkable. Back in the day when me and my buddies used to do music, we'd always go to Trader Joe's and get the $2 chuck or the mystery bottles they used to have. It tastes about like that. It's just drinking wine. Okay, before I start wrangling the cats up in here, they seem to cover the whole range. You have, I guess, the Merlot and more the Cabernet and the Wise Infidel and the White. My understanding is just beet juice color, most of it, and maybe a little salt and water, and catnip infused. So it's not supposed to harm the cats, although it's kind of funny. They said that it might get them a little playful and energetic, but it also said it might treat like a mild sedative. So we're just gonna see what happens. All right, let's get some cats in here. And for those of you who haven't seen my videos before, this is Miko. She's a very much a scaredy cat. You want to try some treats? This is Raz. He's the rascal. This is the one that she's afraid of. All right, let's try the Pinot Meow. Here, try it. Nope. All right, we are trying the Cabernet. Try one of them. Nope. All right. White Chittendale. Let's try White Chittendale. Don't go anywhere. tried the cat? Try one of them. Let's hope. The most cat. You try the most cat? Well, this is going about as well as expected. Here, just put them all right here. Cross my fingers. Well, they say don't work with children or animals, and neither of my cats care anything for the cat wine. Well, at least I know they like the tubes. Well, this was a bust. You want to try some? You get it all over your nose, buddy? Alright, well, maybe you at least had a laugh at my expense, even though neither one of these little critters care for the wine. Maybe next year he'll quit being such a rascal and she'll calm down around him. And at least I got some wine out of it. Well, thanks for enjoying the laugh. I guess until next time, cheers.